Hi, this is Pete May, president of GreenBiz Group. I'm here at GreenBiz Studio with Julie Zaniewski. Did I pronounce your name correctly?
Good.
The Director of Sustainability for Dow. Great to have you here. I understand, so first of all, your background. So I understand you came from the consumer packaged goods area?
Yes,
Yeah.
I joined Dow very recently. I spent about 20 years in the consumer packaged goods space, working on a number of brands, also in sustainability, packaging sustainability, focused on design for recyclability, as well as exploring new technologies, working with consumers, customers, but that's also what now I'm doing with Dow.
Yeah.
Is I've moved up that supply chain.
Moved upstream.
Yeah, moved upstream.
Right. How is life for you? You're fairly new there, but how is life for you upstream versus the downstream world?
It's been great so far.
Yeah.
It's been a really nice change. It's great to be able to take all of those insights and the experience and bring them upstream and really look at sustainability through a different lens, right? So work with customers in a different way. Really
What's different about that?
What's different about that? There's an access to a lot of expertise that you aren't necessarily aware of when you're in another space in the value chain. It's these silos that we sometimes put around ourselves inadvertently, I think.
Yeah.
But in this case, it's been nice to see where that space can grow, to work directly with customers, to drive some of those technologies that I may have been familiar with before, but I can see different applications for them in driving sustainability and driving circularity.
Yeah.
And that could be across design for recyclability, recycling, and any innovations.
Yeah, she mentioned that, so that might be a good time for definition. I was on these segments, we always like to make sure we sometimes throw out terms and want to make sure we understand what that is. Could you help us describe design for recyclability and what that means for you and your job and with Dow?
So design for recyclability, when we talk about that at Dow, tends to veer towards some of our flexible materials, some things that haven't historically been recyclable. And
can you give us some examples?
Some examples. Pouches, some of the food applications where flexibles in general, in North America in particular, can be a challenging format for recyclability, but they are very economical. They're lightweight and they provide a lot of benefits. So what we've done is develop with our customers, we've innovated with them and developed recycle-ready technology. So what that does is take materials that have barrier properties, they still have the functionality and the performance aspects that they require, but they operate like a fully recyclable material.
Yeah.
So they don't contaminate the recycling stream, and that's the type of innovation that we like to bring forward with our customers. And we tend to do that as a collaborative effort, right? So we have some capabilities called Pack Studios.
Called what?
Pack Studios.
Pack Studios. What are Pack Studios?
Pack Studios, it's a capability we have in locations around the world where we bring our customers in, we have molding capability, we have testing capability, and we co-develop solutions like that.
Oh.
And we are building that capability more so in the recycling space. So we're bringing recycling equipment into those studios, and we'll be innovating even further down the line with our customers.
Yeah, and last question, is there an evolution for you from design for recyclability to, what does that mean as we enter the circular economy? Is there a design for circularity, and what does that look like?
Well, that is part of design for circularity.
Yeah.
I mean, circularity can mean a number of different things, and in this space, when we talk about flexible packaging, there are a number of different challenges. There's the design aspect of it, there's the actual functional processing of that material as you recycle it or work towards recycling it. And then there's a demand piece of it. So we want those materials to be recycled.
Right.
So that's a big part of the equation that we're working on. We're looking for different applications, driving existing applications such as asphalt and also some film-to-film type applications. But there's a whole spectrum of applications that we can consider so that we create that demand and really drive a totally circular system.
Yeah, that's great. Well, looks like you have your work cut out.
I do.
Lots of interesting stuff to be working on. Julie Zaniewski from Dow, thanks for joining us.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much.